So yes, karokwera nile kurwesegi, na yagokwera notabwa chiko goro goja kwera na moyo na botoko gochengera na kwera nile.
Okay. How significant was this by elections?
Very significant. Extremely significant. Tiango tebi, bona gaba gotanga omo celebrate mwagu eto kergo kwa ba MC. Twale nge lose ekemo. Televisions bitoto. Akamo bona iga. It could have made headlines. Mozanyo no Osoro na Japhet mbali nge wacha kutotiga in making noise. Just losing by one. And their target is a bit to so can I come walk. Just one. And more so effort each vehicle was so can I young. Kiagara, no more ayutakuru to embarrassing. But thank God, I want the way to in Yansiongo 88% stood with Fred Mathieu.
Fred has not spoken about this election. What is he saying? Have you spoken to him?
Yes.
He's
happy that Abantu abakusiba kwanele sauti yamu, and he has more confidence now. Terevitko wanaka kuoka na aline chinguru muno usi no hale amanere tarati kwerebieka. He's very happy and he's very thankful to just Abantu Baito at the right time. He's going to thank them personally. My Fred tari mwangu, tari konya kuminyo karabindo. He likes doing his things in a structured way, and that is his way. He does things in a very strategic, structured and logical way. Tari monto korali kondo ominyo kochikoka. No, he's not that type of a person, and that is why Arenge Eboko perform while he was given ministries.
Nalingana ba MCA bali ba bwachikura.
Yes.
Igoro.
Yes.
And one of the issues about them will defend themselves. Yeah, very similar for the last 2 weeks. Is that actually they